Children, let's we learn reference books in 4th standard English medium, chapter number 7, factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. This chapter is new chapter. Now, what is the factor? Look here, our kids. What is the factor? Factors. We know that the number which are multiplied together to give product are known as the factor of the product. Again one time, we know that numbers which are multiplied together to give a product are known as factor of the product. Here हम जानते हैं कि दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और जो आंसर मिलता है उसको फैक्टर्स बोलते हैं. We know that the number which are multiplied together to give a product are known as a factor of the product. Here, example, 2 multiplied with 3, we get answer here 6. So 2 and 3 are factor of 6. 2 and 3 are factor of 6. Here we take it two numbers. You take it any two numbers. Look like 4 and 5. 4 multiplied 5, we get answer is 20. So 4 and 5 are factor of 20. Same as it is 1 multiplied by 3. You get answer is 3. So 1 and 3 are factor of 3. The factor of a number divide the number completely without leaving a remainder. The factor of a number divide the numbers completely without leaving a remainder. जो factor होता है वो जो प्रोडक्ट होता है उसको completely divide करता है, रिमाइंडर उसका बचता नहीं है. Again one time, the factor of a number divide the numbers completely without leaving a remainder. Here properties of factors. Here properties of factor. The smallest factor of every number is 1. The smallest factor of every number is 1. You know 2. 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. So we use here 1 multiplied by 2. 1 2s are 2. So 1 is a factor of the smallest factor of the every number. Same as it is 3. 1 multiplied 3, 100. 100 multiplied 1, 1000. 1000 multiplied by 1. So we can answer same to same. So 1 is the smallest factor of every numbers. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number of a factor of itself. Look like 13 multiplied by 1. So 13. 13 also factor and 1 also factor. So both are factor. That means every number is a factor of itself. Factors of a number are always smaller than or equal to a number. Factor of a number are always smaller than and equal to the number. हमें जो नंबर दिया गया है वो उससे बड़ा उसका फैक्टर नहीं होता है, What is the prime number and what is the composite number? Look here, prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and itself. It has only two factors, 1 and it has more than two factors. It has more than two factors. It cannot be divided exactly by any other than 1 and itself. ये नंबर प्राइम नंबर 1 और वो अपने आप itself वही से डिवाइड होता है, वो दूसरे नंबर से डिवाइड होता नहीं है। ऐसे नंबर को क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइम नंबर। उसके पास ओनली दो ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, टू ही फैक्टर्स होते हैं, 1 और itself. For example, here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the prime numbers. 11, 13, 17, 19. So, in 100, more than numbers are coming prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. 2 divided by 1. 1 2s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So, 2 has only two factors. How many factors? Two factors. This type of number you call prime number. This type of numbers you call prime number. Again, one type, it has only two factors, 1 and itself, which cannot be divided exactly by any other number than 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are the prime number. Composite number, it has more than two factors. It has more than two factor, 3 factor, 4 factor. It can be divided exact by its factor. It can be divided by exactly by its factor. वो नंबर उसके फैक्टर से डिवाइड होता है. It can be divided exactly by its factor. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are composite number. Now, prime factorization. What is the prime factorization? Prime factorization means writing as the product of its factor. Writing as the product of its factor. Factorization means writing as the product of its factors. We can write every composite number as a product of factor that are prime This is called prime factorization. We use here two methods. First one is the factor tree method and another here is the division method. Now solve exercise number 7.1. Question number 1. Write down the factors of the following numbers. Write down the factors of the following numbers. Here 28. First we try 21. 8s are 21. So 1 is the factor of a 28. Sorry. Again 28. 1s are 28. That means 28 is a factor. 1 and 28 both are a factor of a 28. Now try with the 2. Try with the 2. 28. 2 divided by 2. Here 2. 14 2s are 28. So 2 also factor of a 28. Now 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28 and 4 7s are 28. So 4 and 7 both are factor of a 28. Then 14 2s are and here 20. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28 is the factor of a 28. Now here 15. So first 1, then here 0. That means it is divisible by 2 is the possible. So 25 2s are 50. Again it is divisible by 5 also possible. 5 10s are 50. So 5 10s are 25 2s are and 50 1s are. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50 is factor of a 50. Now 48. 1. Again 1 48 are 48. So 1 and 48 2. So 24 2s are 48. 8 plus 4. It is divisible by 3 also possible. So it is divisible by 3. So 48 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 left. 16 3s are also possible. 16 3s are 48. So 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So 6 and 8 both are factor. Now 3 16s are then 24 2s are and 48 1s are 48. So 1 2 3 6 8 16 24 and 48 factor of 48. 36. Again 1 2. Again 1 and 2. 2 1s are 2 3 are 13 2s are 36. Again here it is divisible by 3 also possible. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. 12 3s are 3. 4 9s are 6 6 are. So 6 9. Again so 3 12 3s are 36 divided by 2. Here 2 1s are 2. Here 1 16. 18 2s are and 36. So 1 2 3 4 6 9 That means here we get 2 prime number and 3 prime number. This is called prime factor